About 5 years ago, I gave myself a challenge. Lock myself in a room with no gaming, no partying, and no distractions. The goal was to work for 3 to 6 hours a day until I made $10,000. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how I got there with no bullshit and concrete information. In 2020, I was having my final year for a diploma in information technology. I hated my time there, my grades sucked, and I knew that I couldn't make it to a public university. I told myself that I needed to make a change or I'll probably remain broke and unsuccessful for the rest of my life. I knew that there was a path outside the traditional 9 to 5 job, and that was to start my own business. My goal was to start one and generate at least $10,000 in 1 year. I started watching countless YouTube videos on how to start a business, get rich, and various startup pitches, but none of them were actually specific enough to get me started. Then, I stumbled upon a YouTube channel called Income School. The channel teaches people how to make money blogging, and it was perfect for me because I love writing and I don't mind sitting at a desk all day. I started binge watching and learning all about starting and growing a blog, like website hosting, how to use WordPress, SEO, and more. Another place that helped me to learn was a Just Start community on Reddit where people share case studies of growing a blog. I spent most of my free time browsing through the community and reading almost every popular post. After watching countless videos and reading Reddit posts, I realized that I've gotten nowhere. To get somewhere, I needed to just start, which miraculously I did, because I was thinking about it 24/7. Because I wanted to start a blog, the first step was to get website hosting. I read a bunch of reviews online, and I ended up with SiteGround's WordPress managed hosting. I purchased the $77 1-year plan along with a domain name. Then, I made a logo using Namecheap's Logo Maker, which is by far the best free logo maker I've ever used. Setting up the website wasn't exactly that easy, but what I did was to buy a WordPress theme, configure it, install plugins, and connect Google Analytics and Search Console. Whenever I was lost, I just watched more YouTube videos or contacted my hosting company for support. It took about 3 to 5 days to design and configure the website, and I also decided on a niche. The niche that I chose was something that I was experienced in and passionate about. After I decided upon a niche, I did a lot of keyword research. For a blog, keyword research is extremely important because it determines whether it gets traffic or not. It's also part of SEO, which is the process of optimizing a website to rank your pages on search engines like Google. In a nutshell, the plan was to write articles that people are actively searching for on Google. An example of an article would be something like cute dog names, but less competitive. I did keyword research using a tool called the Google Keyword Planner to get content ideas. I searched for keywords in my niche and focused on targeting low competition and high traffic keywords. During the first 5 months, I wrote about 1 article every week with a total of 22 articles. A couple of my articles started ranking well on Google because people were searching for it and no site has ever written about it before. This got me my first 100 or so visitors, and in month 3, I applied for Google AdSense and got rejected 3 times before finally getting approved. I then enabled ads on my site and made my first dollar in March. For the whole of March, I made a total of $11.51 from ads. However, I can only withdraw my earnings once I hit $100 in ad revenue, so technically, I earned nothing yet. In month 6, I hyper-focused and wrote an article almost every single day. This skyrocketed my blog's traffic from 5,000 to nearly 8,000 monthly visitors. From month 6 to 12, I went all in on content because I could visibly see my visitors growing from my previous articles. During that period, I wrote about 1 article per day and ended up writing about 20 articles per month. My strategy was the same throughout. I would target a low competition and high traffic keyword that people are searching for on Google. I would write it, post it, and repeat the process. The results definitely paid off as my blog's traffic soared from July to October. In month 8, I made the switch from Google AdSense to Ezoic, which is another ad network. This is because I was only making about $1 a day from Google AdSense, and Ezoic offers 5x to 10x more. During the first week, my ad revenue was up by about 6 times. This is because Ezoic uses an RPM model instead of CPM, and they have better technology. In the past, Google used a CPM model, which means that I'll only get money if someone clicks on the ads, so Ezoic pays a lot more. On month 8, I made about $5 per day from Ezoic ads, and then it skyrocketed from that point onwards. 1 year and 4 months later, I finally hit $10,000 in revenue for my blog. This was purely ad revenue from about 1.2 million visitors. I managed to accomplish this by simply showing up every single day. I didn't miss a single day of work and wrote at least 1 article per day from month 12 onwards. What benefited me a lot was my timing. During 2020 to 2021, the pandemic occurred, and it was a blessing because I was forced to be locked in my room for hours on end. This boosted my productivity because I had nothing to do but work. The time that people spent on the internet also increased because people from almost every country were forced to stay at home. To conclude, the reason why I'm telling this story is because I want to show that it's possible to accomplish great things by locking yourself in a room and working for 3 to 6 hours per day on a business. However, you must be mentally prepared to suffer for at least a year before you find success, because this is far from a get-rich-quick scheme. To put this into perspective, it took me about 8 months before I made my first dollar online. Starting a business is definitely not easy, but it's worth trying, especially if you are in the right circumstances to do so. If you want to know how I grew my blog to over 60 million visitors using SEO, you can buy my book that's linked in the description of the video. This is entirely optional, and you don't have to buy it. But if you do, it speeds up your learning by about 2 to 3 times. I rarely do discounts, and this is for those who watches this video only. If you use the code YouTube on checkout, you'll get 50% off on it. If you found this video helpful, do give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on X at NOTLHW if you have any questions.